Which term describes organisms like plants that grow by repeated iteration of modules? Modular organisms, for example plants, sponges, grow by repeated iteration of modules, unlike unitary organisms, for example dogs. Which survivorship curve is characteristic of species like oysters with high early mortality? The answer is type 3 curves show high mortality in young stages but high survival once established. For example, oysters. What is the formula for the Lincoln Peterson index to estimate population size? N is equal to total marked in first sample into state size of second sample divided by marked recaptured in second sample. Which type of dispersion is most common in nature due to uneven resource distribution? Clumped dispersion is most common because resources are usually unevenly distributed. Which growth model produces a J-shaped curve? Exponential growth in an unlimited environment produces a J-shaped curve. What does K represent in the logistic growth equation? It represents carrying capacity, the maximum population size an environment can support. Species that reproduce only once in their lifetime are called similparous species. For example, salmon annual plants have a single reproductive event before death. Which selection strategy is favored in unpredictable environments with rapid development? R selection favors rapid development, small body size, and early reproduction in unpredictable environments. What term did Richard Levins coin for a population of populations? Metapopulation. It refers to a group of spatially separated populations of the same species that interact. An age pyramid with a broad base, high reproductive count represents expanding population. A broad base indicates many young individuals, characteristics of a rapidly expanding population.